Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you are using Brave, the browser has received an update which includes the security fixes that have started rolling out to Chrome, as I posted on yesterday, and also it includes one or two improvements. Now, because we are dealing with security issues, we head to our main menu, Help, About Brave, to double check if we have this latest update. And the browser version updated to 1.59.124. Chromium platform upgraded to 118.0.5993.177. Now, first of all, starting with the Chromium engine, that has received two security fixes. And although there are no 0 days or exploits in the wild with these patches, they are both high risk, which is your second highest ranked vulnerability, just below a critical. So nonetheless, two important security issues have been addressed with this latest update, and they are addressing use after free, which is a common exploit in these Chromium-based web browsers. So two security fixes rolling out for the Chromium platform, which Brave is based on. Now, just talking quickly about the improvements. Web3, which is the crypto side of the browser. If you are using the crypto side, they fixed the market tab displaying incorrect colors for increased and or decreased prices. Apparently, the market tab was showing the wrong colors for up and down prices. So that's just a little minor bug fix for Web3. And the ad blocker has received an improvement. That's the Brave Shields. Brave Adblock Resources Library now updates on a more frequent basis to always have the most recent ad block lists, which I think is a nice move. And I must be honest, I think Brave has a very good ad blocker. So that is a little bit of an improvement there. And that's it. That's the update, a bit of a maintenance update that's been pushed out with the important security fixes for the Chromium platform. And this update rolled out on the 25th of October, which once again was late yesterday in my part of the world. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.